In today's video, I am going to teach you how to improve Notion workspace aesthetics with a setting. Start by opening Notion and going to the page you want to improve, such as a workspace home or knowledge base page. Once you are on the page, take a moment to look at the current layout and spacing so it is easier to notice the changes you make. Next, go to your Notion settings to adjust the overall look of the app. Open Settings, then go to Appearance and switch your theme to dark mode. This one setting can instantly make your workspace feel cleaner and more modern, especially if you spend long hours inside Notion. If you prefer a brighter look, you can keep light mode, but the key is choosing one theme and staying consistent. Now return to your page and move to the top right corner. Click the three-dot menu to open the page options, then choose Customize Page. This area is where you can make the page feel more balanced and less cluttered. Turn on small text to tighten up your content. This reduces the visual bulk of paragraphs and makes lists and databases feel more compact. Then enable full width to use more of your screen space, which is especially helpful when you have tables, multiple columns, or dashboards. Together, small text and full width often create a more polished layout with better alignment. While you are still in the same menu, take a moment to select a font style. You can choose between the default font, a serif font for a more editorial look, or a mono font for a clean technical style. The best tip here is to pick one and apply it consistently across your main pages. To reduce distractions, use the same three-dot menu to hide extra page metadata like backlinks and comments when you do not need them visible. This keeps the page focused on the content. Finally, polish the page visually with icons and covers. Use simple, minimalist covers and keep icons consistent in style so the workspace feels cohesive. If you use databases, clean them up by hiding database titles when appropriate, resizing columns, and turning off page icons in the database layout settings for a cleaner grid. That covers everything you need to know.